Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack notifications from Uptime Kuma. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Locate the settings option in the left sidebar and click on it. In the settings menu, find the notifications section. Click on Add Notification. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Slack from the list of notification types. Next, you will need to set up a Slack webhook URL. To do this, open your Slack workspace and navigate to the Apps section. Search for incoming webhooks and select it. Click on Add to Slack to create a new webhook. Choose the channel where you want Uptime Kuma notifications to be sent. After selecting the channel, click Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. You will see a webhook URL generated for you. Copy this URL. Return to your Uptime Kuma dashboard and paste the webhook URL into the appropriate field. Now, customize the notification settings as needed. You can set specific criteria for alerts, like status changes or downtime. Make sure to save your settings once you've configured everything. After saving, your Slack notifications will be active. You will now receive alerts directly in your selected Slack channel from Uptime Kuma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.